far? Okay, good. Oh, you hear that shot? Press the chain right out. Awesome. Dodge that stump there.
Welcome to this thrilling new video. Jaw-dropping rescue missions and daring driving stunts are about to unfold before your eyes. Stay tuned until the very end to witness every heart-pounding and adrenaline-fueled moment. Now let's dive right in. But what I truly want to highlight is not just the raw power of these incredible machines, but the passion, skill, and teamwork behind every move. With an astonishing 500 horsepower and 1,000 Newton meters of torque, these two beastly vehicles join forces to pull off a high-stakes tractor rescue. Precision, determination, and seamless coordination transform this mission into a breathtaking spectacle, packed with intensity, danger, and pure mechanical dominance. In this challenging moment, the spirit of community shines through, and it's truly admirable. The two powerhouse vehicles, working in perfect unison, deliver a jaw-dropping performance. The Mahindra tractor, under the leadership of Anand M. Indra, proves its sheer strength and resilience, conquering every obstacle in its path. This is more than just a rescue. It's a true test of power, precision, and determination. Right now, have you ever witnessed such an awe-inspiring sight? A stubborn tree stump split by a deep crack, standing defiantly against all odds. It seemed nearly impossible to remove, but when the raw power of the purple Kubota M888 and the green M9540 combined, they delivered an unforgettable performance. Their immense strength transformed a daunting challenge into a breathtaking showdown, a true battle of power and precision. Wait. What's this? Oh no, the heavy truck is stuck in the... Oh no, the heavy truck is trapped in the thick, unforgiving mud. Everyone springs into action, pushing their limits to pull it free. This is a true test of skill and determination, because raw power alone isn't always the deciding factor. What truly matters is the perfect combination of strength, precision, and strategic preparation, especially when facing unpredictable and treacherous terrain. Now, the two mighty tow trucks, each packing 400 horsepower, step up to the challenge. Will they have what it takes to break free from nature's grip? Stay tuned to witness this intense showdown. The engines and four-wheel drive systems fought to free the watermelon truck from the thick mud. This resilient machine didn't just help the farmer overcome the challenge, it delivered outstanding productivity. Through teamwork and determination, the tough task was completed. Every day, the road to success is a battle against the mud, where deep tire tracks mark the struggle. To conquer the unforgiving swamp, the mighty T150K tractor, with its 220 horsepower, powers through with unstoppable force. The T150K tractor showcased its outstanding strength, while the New Holland, armed with a four-wheel drive system, roared to life, overcoming every obstacle. With 250 horsepower and relentless determination, it fought to rescue the stranded tractor. Its superior strength, combined with precise control, turned this challenge into an intense and thrilling spectacle. Pure power and precision in action. With 350 horsepower and a four-wheel drive system, this tractor effortlessly hauls tons of wood through the forest. Its rugged suspension and powerful drivetrain conquer every challenge, from rocky trails to deep mud, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. Transporting heavy cargo up steep roads is no small feat. The toughest moments come when the truck gets stuck deep in the forest, burdened with logs. But in these critical times, determination and teamwork make all the difference, turning obstacles into victories. Endurance and determination are the keys to overcoming every obstacle. With the engine roaring and dirt flying, the scene leaves an unforgettable impression. The powerful combination of the New Holland TT50 and Aaron 50 ET turned this challenge into a breathtaking display of strength and skill. Their superior power created an intense and dramatic experience. In the end, the unstoppable tractor triumphed, proving its dominance in the toughest conditions. The determined tractor pulled the heavily loaded truck, ultimately conquering every challenge in its path. Oh my gosh, the rescue operation in the dense, unforgiving forest was truly breathtaking. With its powerful performance and advanced four-wheel drive system, the tractor skillfully navigated the rough terrain, ensuring the safe transport of tons of cargo. A true display of strength, precision, and resilience.
Safely to the ground. If space allows, the remaining trunk is felled using a notch and backcut technique. A precise after the tree is on the ground, the crew cuts it into manageable sections and process it into firewood or mulch. The area is thoroughly cleaned,
Its intelligence and durability were the key factors in completing this mission. What an incredible feat. Got it. Wow, that's impressive. Restarting the Varen POV, the engine roars to life instantly, unleashing its raw power. With its robust engine and unique design, this tractor doesn't just start effortlessly, it's built to dominate any challenge, in any condition, with unstoppable force. Transporting hay bales across the river is no small task. Using DT-75 and T-150K tractors alongside floating pontoons, the hay is carefully ferried from the unloading point by ZIL and Kamaz trucks, ensuring vital animal feed reaches the flooded pastures. As winter sets in, some hay will be transported across the ice, as the village no longer has a bridge for traditional methods. In a place where nature constantly tests endurance, innovation and resilience are the only way forward. Brutal power is on full display. In these extreme conditions, a vehicle must be both powerful and incredibly durable. The T150K tractor, equipped with a YAMZ 220 horsepower diesel engine and a four-wheel drive system, has proven its unmatched capabilities. A true workhorse, it helps explorers conquer every challenge and complete their missions with excellence. Designed specifically for wet, rugged forests, the VTRA forestry tractor, boasting 230 horsepower, is an indispensable tool. With its advanced four-wheel drive system and exceptional durability, it tackles even the most demanding terrains with ease.
Another big truck. Really fast. The line was even through some pebble.
With its powerful engine, the tractor glides effortlessly over soft terrain, making timber harvesting faster and more efficient. Its modern hydraulic system and enlarged wheels ensure smooth operation, even in deep mud and challenging soil conditions. Meanwhile, the Vogel Super 2 0113 I-asphalt paver, with its high-quality design and precision paving capabilities, plays a crucial role in road construction and maintenance, ensuring durability and efficiency in every project. The Vogel Super 23i is globally recognized for its precision and efficiency. Equipped with an automatic leveling system, it ensures a perfectly smooth asphalt layer. Using ultrasonic sensors, the system continuously measures and adjusts the height of the paver table, preventing surface distortions and irregularities. This guarantees a flat, even spread, enhancing both safety and aesthetics. Additionally, the Vogel MT 3002i offset feeder plays a crucial role by efficiently delivering materials like asphalt and stone, ensuring a continuous, uninterrupted supply for flawless road construction. Meet the growing demands of the highway construction industry with precision and efficiency. The Fiber 630 Monza is a state-of-the-art trenching machine designed to optimize the installation of electric and fiber optic cables. With its sharp, high-performance cutting edge, it enables quick and precise trenching, making it an ideal solution for deploying fiber optic networks and electrical infrastructure. Bringing both convenience and reliability, the Fiber 630 Monza streamlines operations, ensuring faster and more efficient installations in even the most demanding conditions. The Fiber 630 Monza reduces time and effort in building modern communication networks. With advanced technology, it's essential for telecommunications and power distribution, ensuring efficient deployment. The Bobcat S650 is a versatile powerhouse, widely used in construction for tasks like moving and pouring concrete. Its powerful engine and advanced control system boost productivity while optimizing efficiency. A crucial asset in transforming mud into energy. The Fiatagri 1280 DT, with its powerful 180 horsepower engine, effortlessly tows equipment, making sludge transport and treatment faster and more efficient. Its outstanding capabilities support the production of sustainable clean energy, ensuring smooth processing of large slurry volumes with ease and reliability.
Ground is soft, clear, ripper goes through like butter. Love the ripper when you're doing stumps. You do not disturb a lot of dirt, you know? That's the beauty part of it. Just rip through. Oh, got a little rock down there. Hopefully we don't hit shale because that is in this area. We'll find out. But right now there's so many stumps in the ground I really can't move over, so I'm kind of sheet in it. There's a rock right there too. Wow. Oh yeah. She's a hanging on. Move over. So like I said, you gotta just grab 4 corners like this. Take 4. Big boulder there. That's what's hanging that up. Right there. Knock that out. Once you get boulders in the roof. 4 corners like so. Just make a box around it. There's one hanging on there. Once you got rocks in the ground like this, you gotta be careful with your front windshield because you will fling one at it. Done that a few years back. Take the dirt out of it. Not out the deep ones. Some taproots, some pine trees have taproots, some don't. We'll get the dirt out of it.
Built for tough working conditions, the Cool R Yearverse marked Met Double Box is an essential tool for harvesting and packing cabbage and similar vegetables. Its synchronized operation and protective rain cover help farmers optimize harvesting and preservation. Careful handling is crucial to maintaining product quality. With this advanced equipment, farmers can work efficiently in any weather, ensuring fresh, high-quality produce.
Alright, we're getting it. Tell you that the hardwood is definitely in the ground. The pine comes out super sweet. That one to the right there, I don't know what that is, an elm tree it looks like, is you know when you take your first stand in the ground, if you see the stump shake a little bit, you're like, oh yeah, I got this one. But after your third stroke, if you don't see that thing move with one tiny bit, you're in that. So that one over there is gonna be again, I was here to stump it for him, and then he asked if I did grading and stuff and whatnot. I said, oh yeah. So we might be putting a circular driveway in for him. We'll see what happens after this phase. Shake the dirt out of it after the fact that he cut it. I didn't want to get dirt all over his little stub that he cut off. Little crater that one made. Looks like a gravel-based material here, so it comes out of the stump pretty well. It's moist, but if it was wet, I'm sure it would be a little sticky. Got a nice pile.
And ensuring high-quality results. The Komatsu 931XC, known as the Forest Monster, is a symbol of innovation in forestry and logging. Built for extreme terrain, its rugged design and advanced technology set it apart. With the ability to efficiently fell and stack wood, it automates the process, reducing human effort and increasing efficiency. Additionally, its integrated GPS navigation system enhances precision and performance, while promoting environmental sustainability by optimizing logging operations. Logging technology, with advanced automation and exceptional performance, this machine marks a major leap forward in wood harvesting and processing. The Young Bull 13 wheel loader is a trusted ally in snow removal and road clearing for timber transport. Operated by skilled driver Mickey Lovren, it tackles the harshest winter conditions with ease. Its powerful engine and large loader efficiently clear snow, ensuring safe passage for log trucks. Gulliver, a specialized marine, technology. Officially named the Float Shear Leg, Gulliver is a crucial marine device for lifting and transporting massive ships and heavy cargo at sea. Its capabilities have revolutionized large-scale transport, boosting regional trade and economic growth. With its unmatched lifting power, Gulliver stands as a true engineering marvel in the maritime industry. The unbelievable super heavy transport truck is another breathtaking display of power and cutting-edge engine technology, pushing the limits of heavy-duty transportation like never before. Remarkable feat of engineering and logistics. In bridge construction and oversized cargo transport, super heavy trucks with up to 260 wheels take on the challenge of moving massive bridge components. This incredible process highlights both the complexity and precision of modern engineering. These trucks showcase raw power and versatility, navigating difficult terrains while ensuring the safe transport of colossal structures. This documentary serves as a powerful source of inspiration for those fascinated by construction and the world of heavy transport. On the screen, you're witnessing a true marvel of engineering in action. Can now build high-speed railways with unmatched precision and efficiency. These massive machines, powered by cutting-edge technology, accelerate railway construction, boosting productivity while significantly reducing project timelines. Their role in transporting goods is just as vital, ensuring smooth and efficient logistics. Meanwhile, the Kronos 42000L marks a breakthrough in agriculture. With its 2,000-liter capacity and advanced ultrasonic technology, it revolutionizes farming, helping farmers optimize operations with greater accuracy and efficiency.